get off. I'm done with you.
Little fish.
Little fart. Get off, get off. Let go.
You want that quick release method?
Oh,
hey!
Wet.
You want the pliers? I got the pliers.
Yeah. Boy, it felt like a good one on this pole.
Yeah, he is pretty good.
Oh man, he's got it bad. Look at that.
Yeah, way to go.
Stinks. Quit kicking, buddy. I'd let you out. Oh, there you go. Hey, good job. That helped out. Oh no, then with the pliers.
You know,
Oh, and I got
2 knives and pair of pliers now. You got really good at that.
and I put my box and I got pliers in the box. Oh, now this is really
I've had those
fun.
pliers for 23 years.
Way to go, fish.
Hey, maybe he'll go get them if you ask him nicely.
Yeah, if I let him go, maybe he'll go get him.
Getting that out of his top of his mouth's gonna be fun.
Ouch.
Oh, oh, oh. Nice release.
Wouldn't want to be you.